Dun, dun, dun. Fully squish them. Guys, I lost a tooth. My head's too big. Sexy. Split my lip open. Help. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Welcome to Angel Misha. I actually feel like a little angel. I love it. So today is going to be a video that as soon as I uploaded my first episode of my Halloween series, you guys were like, do a Pretty Little Thing Halloween haul. So I did, but hasten to add, do I sound like an old person saying that? Most probably. Hasten to add, this is actually going to be a budget-friendly Halloween video. All of the main bulk items of the outfits are £5. So Pretty Little Thing have bought out a 50 dresses under, or £5, 50 dresses for £5. That's it, that's the tagline. And there is loads of white ones, red ones and black ones. So I thought it was only right to do a really easy peasy Halloween, like last minute looks that you could just pop onto Pretty Little Thing, get your next day delivery, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, the world's amazing. Now there was a giveaway in the last Pretty Little Thing haul, so I shall announce the 2 winners and I will pop their Instagram usernames on the screen here, but stay tuned till the end to find out the next giveaway, so you guys can win yourself some Pretty Little Thing vouchers that you don't just have to spend on Halloween stuff, you can spend on normal stuff. But anyway, yes, so I have kind of half unpacked the items because I kind of want to show you them as looks, and this is kind of like the first look. So hello, I'm feeling a little bit sexy. I really need to stop singing that song. But okay, so this is the first dress. As we can see, it's just white. It's actually not like too see-through. I was expecting it to be a lot worse. For £5, like £5. I just love me with this little angel thing. I find it really fun. I feel like a princess. But yeah, this dress really isn't like that see-through. I have got nipple covers on. I would suggest nipple covers. Just safety reasons. And yeah, it's just like a really basic dress, as you would guess. Now, I do also have this, so I can be like, bippity boppity boop, oh my gosh, I actually am a fairy godmother because I'm doing a giveaway of Pretty Little Thing vouchers. So your wish is my command. But no, I just thought this was a really cute and easy Halloween look. You know, white dress, grab your accessories. They do have these available on Pretty Little Thing, and I will of course link all the items down below. But I do also feel like so many people have Halloween props from previous years, and you can just spice it up with a Pretty Little Thing dress. Oh, and just to mention, of course I am working with them on this video, but you guys know I'm an OG Pretty Little Thing fan. Like, we don't even need to go there. Now, I don't know who I think I am, but it seems to be Austin Powers. So, whoopsies. I'm glad the dog's not in right now, or he would be barking so loud. I can't get over this headband. So, am I the only one getting Austin Power vibes? So these aren't knee highs. They're like calf highs. I don't even know that's a technical term. And then they've got this like block heel, but it's actually missing. So I'm gonna pop these on, and I do not know what we're gonna make of this, but I thought they were quite cool, so I give them a shot. Okay, can we see? Can we see the boots? Yeah, I like the Austin Power vibes. I need to get a mini me. That would be annoying. Yeah, imagine 2 of me. Wow. Anyway, let's move on to the next look. Bippity boppity boop. Dress number 2 is upon us. Now, I love the shape of this dress. I would say I would size up in these dresses if you're like in between sizes, because they do come up quite short and quite small. But look, this kind of gives me the tiniest bit of underboob. Like if I like fully squish them, There's a little bit of underboob. But I really love the shape of this dress. I think it's so flattering. Now, accessory-wise, I'm gonna turn me into, is this a tiger? Or I'm pretty sure this is a tiger. I'm probably gonna end up being wrong, but as we are doing basic Halloween outfits, I mean, look at these little ears. Oh my gosh, my hair is so appropriate. Okay, so it also comes with this little tail. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I need a little pin. Let me get a safety pin. This definitely isn't a scary outfit, but we may have noticed from my Halloween series that I don't do scary. I don't do scary films. I don't do scary like videos. I don't even like rides. I know, I'm not wild, guys. I apologise. Wait, I am wild, because I'm a tiger. And you're gonna hear me roar. I think actually this is so far my favourite, but then again we've had 2 looks, so you know, I'm loving it so far. And honestly, these dresses, I'm impressed. For £5, like, I'm impressed. You go, pretty little thing. And I feel like I actually look quite cute. Oh my gosh, no, this is where I can then draw on the little black lines. There we go. I would do that right now, but I don't want to be a cat in my other looks. So you guys can just picture it. So yeah. Okay, let's now go to the next look, and I'm going to do my favourite thing ever when changing into different outfits. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and ta-da! I've got a bit of hair in my face there. Okay, so this is the third £5 dress, and I have to say, I think this one's my favourite shape. We all know I love a good high neck, and then it's got this little leg split. I just feel like this looks nice. Like, I would 1,000,000% wear this even when it wasn't Halloween. So, for this one, we're whacking out the sexy lacy gloves. I am very intrigued what these are going to look like, but I suppose it's only right to stick them on and find out. Dun, 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 dun. I feel so odd in gloves. Am I the only one that's so not used to wearing them? Because I never do the washing up. I actually have a reason. I'm allergic to latex, so I can't actually use the gloves. Obviously I could get latex free ones, but I'd rather just not do the washing up. So, dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh, this is giving me Jessica Rabbit vibes. Yes, but I actually have a plan of what we're gonna do to make this a little bit more Halloween-y. So, I saw on Pretty Little Thing that they sell vampire fangs, and I thought, your girl's gonna have to turn into a vampire. I am so intrigued as to how this works. Okay, dental adhesive. Is there instructions? I might bring you guys a bit closer. We're gonna unbox my things together. Okay, I love how they come in a little coffin. Probably shouldn't have put my gloves on first, because I can't even get the fangs out the blooming box. Oh my god, these are creepy. OMG. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take off the gloves just because I don't want it to fall in my mouth and then we accidentally swallow it. Guys, I lost a tooth. Yeah, where did it? There? Does it look very real on me? I don't even know where it goes in my mouth. Or is that one from that side? Oh! Okay. I'm gonna grab the instructions. Oh, you need to heat water. I ain't got time for that. I'm gonna just hold them in my mouth. MAXI, everything. I look like a lizard, like. This haul is going in a peculiar direction, but okay. trying to talk with fangs in your mouth, being held by your teeth, is quite difficult. I think if you rocked up like this to a fancy dress party, you would pull all the vampires. Let's put my gloves back on. Gosh, it's just like one of those challenges where they have things in their mouth. Okay, so. Ta-da! Do I look sexy? Do I look schmaxy? Yes, yes. Now, obviously, if you weren't actually wearing these, you would use the glue, but we ain't got time for that. We don't want this haul being half an hour. We know what I'm like. Also though, I did also get some fake blood from Pretty Little Thing, which we all love a good bit of fake gore. So any outfit that you have, you can just make a little bit more Halloween-y. Now the aim of the game is not to get this on my carpet because my mum would actually kill me. Kids, play it safe. Okay, let's just... Oh my gosh, that actually looks so real. And guys, I split my lip open. Help! It's even dripping. Let's put a bit over here. Okay, now I really look like a vampire. It's dripping down my neck. What do I do? It's dripping. It's dripping. It feels really bizarre. Oh, I like this look though. Hello. Okay, what do you do when it's dripping? Like, do you like collect the drips? I've never really had blood around my mouth before. I'm assuming that's not. Okay, wait. I don't know if that's correct. At least I'll stop dripping. Okay, so love this look. Simple. It's kind of like a dead Jessica Rabbit vibe / can be a vampire if you want to heat up the gel balls, but I'm lazy. So next look in 3, 2, 1. I didn't think through the fact I've now got to take this off with blood around my mouth. Not literal blood, just to put it out there. This does look really realistic though. You should see the other gal. Joking. Okay, wait, how do I do this? Okay. My head's too big. Ah. I did it! What do you do when you feel fake blood? What do you do when you spill normal blood? Love you, mummy. Don't fret, guys. It basically all came out the carpet. We're good. But, okay, so now I've got on it's a different fabric to the other ones. Dresses is much more of like your typical like jersey fabric, and it's actually a midi dress. Can you see? You were zoomed in. That's why you couldn't see. So this is actually like a midi dress, and for this one I have some black cat ears. It also kind of makes me think of a mouse because I'm a mouse, duh. But let's pop these on. Oh, they actually look quite cute, if I do say so myself. As cute as you can, you've got fake blood pouring out your mouth. So this is my little kitty cat look. Can we see? Easy breezy outfit, no effort, but you still look cute. And if you wanted to do some really scary makeup with this, then you go Glen Coco. So yeah, you do you, boo. Are we even surprised? Are we even surprised? We've got a devil look for you all. Now, what would Halloween be without someone turning up looking like a devil? I mean, just like, it's just obligatory. It has to happen. So you think I just awoke the elastic? No, that does actually need that. You know what I always say about when you're getting a new item, if it's not very stretchy, try and break the strings, because it doesn't actually break the garment. Just to show the back, it just stretches out the strings. I always say that, so don't worry if your clothes make that noise. But yes, this is the £5 dress. It's just this really nice off the shoulder long sleeve red number, and then my little devil horns. Now, shoe wise, I actually have 2 red shoe options depending on your location. Option 1 is the more sensible shoe for the more sensible person. This is a very adorable red patent boot that obviously complements the devil look very nicely. Just make sure I'm not slipping a boob. Then, the more devilish girls out there, or boys, you do you. Are these not the most beautiful heels you have ever seen? Like, look at that. It literally matches my thing. This is insane. I look a bit creepy right now. I eat shoes. No, I don't. But no, these are beautiful. They are so strappy. They are so sexy. They do these in a variety of colours and just like, yeah. They had to get in my Halloween basket, but you could also wear them any time of year. Just to say. Okay, boys and girls, we have a good old-fashioned white dress. Now, I've actually created this bodice. It's actually a belt, kind of, but it's one of those that you can wear in a multitude of ways. So yes, very easy breezy. Again, it's got a little cutout. They're all kind of similar, yet kind of different from each other. But are we ready for me to get Playboy Bunny up in this stuff? I am so excited by this accessory. It's an actual joke. I feel like I'm living out all my Mean Girls dreams in this video, and I'm Regina George right now, or a Playboy Bunny, but we'll stick to the PG version. So, okay, I'm just gonna stretch out my ears, and then, how do I put this on? Slash, I feel like Ariana Grande. Okay, wait, I need to lift the camera up because you can't see them, they're so high. Dun, 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 dun. Can you see them yet? Are they in shot yet? I think so. So, this is the final outfit. Misha, the Playboy Bunny, in her £5 Pretty Little Thing dresses. And yeah, there's so many different types, so make sure to check out the links down below. And yeah, happy Halloween, people. Originally, sorry, it's quite hard to speak and talk seriously when I've got this in my face. Originally, Halloween week was gonna end today, but I have a feeling it might continue, so stay tuned and you'll find out. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I look absolutely crazy right now, but let's just pretend I'm at a Halloween party. I'm looking all schmexy in my bunny outfit. And yeah, I hope you guys have an absolutely fabulous Sunday. Lots of love. Please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And oh my gosh, wait, to enter the next giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below with your favourite look from the whole haul. Let me know which animal you liked most. Then go over to Insta, oh, and subscribe. Then go over to Instagram and give me and Pretty Little Thing a follow, and then of course go and comment on my latest Pretty Little Thing photo with none other than the bunny emoji, and 2 winners will be announced in my next giveaway. Next Pretty Little Thing haul. Anyway, I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. Happy shopping, happy Halloween. Bye, love you lots. Mwah. Bye.